Let me show you how I make this 20-minute weeknight pasta that is so delicious. We absolutely love it, and it's just a version of something I grew up eating. When I grew up in Italy as a child, my mom would make pasta with cream and ham on a weekly basis because we loved it. And depending on the time of year, she'd add zucchini or mushrooms, and it's so delicious. And since garden season is around the corner, I'll be neck deep in zucchini again, which is my favorite thing. I will be making it with zucchini a lot because it's my favorite version. And all you do is you take for 8 ounces of pasta, I like to do 2 small zucchini, and I like to just slice them or dice them nice and small. And then I take a handful of cherry tomatoes, I slice them in half, or I quarter the really big ones. And then you just need a couple cloves of garlic, which I smash and peel, but I don't even chop. And this is like your base, right? And then if you're adding ham, which my mother always did, we would add something called prosciutto cotto, which is our version of ham. You need about a 1/4 pound for this amount of pasta, and the actual amounts will be listed for you in the description below. So go and check that out. But just give it a fine chop. Make sure your pasta water is coming to a boil because that's really the thing that takes the longest. And once that's out of the way, in a skillet, add a little olive oil and add your ham. You want to add the ham in here so that it can kind of like, it can get like a little, caramelized around the edges there, I say. It gets a little crispy around the edges and develops its flavor. This is not honey ham. It's just plain deli ham, and it's so good in this. You have to try it. I cook it for just a minute or two, and once there, I just take it out using a slotted spoon. And then to that same skillet, I'm just going to go ahead and add the zucchini, and chances are you may need another little drizzle of olive oil, so keep that nearby. And then just cook that until it creates like a delicious, richness to the zucchini. It caramelizes, they get golden brown, they start to cook down, they become tender, so delicious. And once there, you're going to add in your garlic. And I'm also going to add straight in my cherry tomatoes. And I also love to add a few leaves of basil. All of this together is just such a great foundation for your pasta. It gives you so much flavor. It's so delicious, easy. And then a good pinch of salt, of course, to saute to those sauteed vegetables to give them a really good flavor from the very beginning. Now you're going to add the pasta to the boiling water, give that a stir, let that cook until package instructions. Go back to your zucchini, add your partially cooked ham. You know what I mean, that we sauteed a little bit. And then this is the part where you can add cream or bechamel. When I was growing up in Italy, you can actually buy something called panna or bechamel already made in the grocery store. I find it easier to just use a little bit of heavy cream. You need about a 1/2 cup, just because if I'm making this on a weeknight and I want it to come together in 20 minutes, I'm going to use heavy cream because it's just much easier. Or I would have to make some bechamel, which is not difficult, but I'm on a time crunch here. And I just let that cook on a gentle heat until the pasta is ready. And when the pasta is ready, I just take it out straight from the boiling water and add it right in, along with a little bit of the starchy cooking water and a really healthy, generous sprinkle of Parm. Cook it all together for about a minute and you are pretty much done. It's so flavorful and delicious. Make sure you serve it with plenty of ground black pepper on top and extra Parm, and it's delicious. I know you will love it, and I just want to remind you these videos are in addition to my regular content, not in place of, but you guys have been loving seeing what I cook and eat on a daily basis, so I'll just keep bringing them to you. The recipe is for you ready in the description, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.